Hello, everyone, and welcome back to M English Channel, where English becomes simple, warm, and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, we'll talk about one of the most important skills in English, something you will use again and again.
That's right. It's introducing yourself. Think about it. The very first words you say to a stranger are often about who you are.
Imagine this. You are on a bus. A friendly person smiles and says, "Hello, what's your name?" Your heart beats fast. What do you say?
Or maybe you're in a new class at school. The teacher says, "Please introduce yourself." You freeze. Everyone is watching.
Don't worry. After this lesson, you'll feel calm. You'll know what to say, and you'll say it with confidence.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment. That way, you'll never feel alone on this journey.
Let's step into a story.
Yes, meet Jesse. Jesse is a young man. He has just arrived in London for the first time. His bag is heavy. His shoes are wet from the rain.
Jesse enters a classroom full of new students. He feels nervous. His hands shake. The teacher smiles. "Please, introduce yourself."
Jesse takes a deep breath. He remembers a simple phrase. "Hello, my name is Jesse. Nice to meet you."
And just like that, the ice is broken. The students smile, the teacher nods. Jesse feels safe.
This is why introductions matter. They open doors, they connect hearts, they start friendships.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is Jesse.
Good. Again, but change the name. Use your own. Hello, my name is...
Perfect. You see, it's simple, but powerful.
Let's add more. Imagine Jesse wants to share his hometown. He says, "I'm from Brazil."
Try it now. Repeat. I'm from Brazil.
Now change Brazil to your country. I'm from...
Wonderful. Do you feel the rhythm? Your voice carries not only words, but also your story.
Let's build a longer introduction for Jesse. Hello, my name is Jesse. I'm from Brazil. I am a student.
Repeat after me. Ready? Hello, my name is Jesse. I'm from Brazil. I am a student.
Great job. Now try it with your own details. Say your name, your country, and what you do.
If you work, you can say, I am a teacher. I am a driver. I am a cook.
If you study, say, I am a student. Or if you want to keep it simple, just say, I work in an office, or I work in a shop.
Let's hear Jesse again. Hello, my name is Jesse. I'm from Brazil. I'm a student. I like football.
Did you hear that? He added a hobby. This makes the introduction personal and fun.
Let's practice. Repeat. I like football.
Now change football to your hobby. I like...
Maybe you like music, or cooking, or reading. Tell us in the comments. We want to know.
Do you see how easy this is? 4 short parts. Name, country, job, and hobby. That's a perfect start.
But sometimes introductions are more than words. They carry emotions. When Jesse spoke, he smiled. His voice was gentle.
Yes. Smile when you introduce yourself. Look into the other person's eyes. Your words will feel alive.
Let's role play. Emily, can you be Jesse? Sure. Hello, my name is Jesse. I'm from Brazil. I'm a student. I like football.
That was clear, warm, and natural. Listeners felt safe with you.
Now it's your turn, dear viewer. Say it out loud. Don't just think. Speak.
Excellent. Even if it feels strange, your brain is learning. Your mouth is practicing. That's how fluency grows.
Let's make it playful. Paul, imagine you are Jesse, but in a job interview.
Okay. Good morning. My name is Jesse. I'm from Brazil. I studied engineering. I'm excited to join your company.
Did you notice? The style changed. It was more formal. This is important.
Yes. In friendly situations, you can say, "Hi, I'm Jesse." But in formal ones, say, "Good morning, my name is Jesse."
Learners, repeat with me. Hi, I'm Jesse.
Now repeat. "Good morning, my name is Jesse."
Great! You are now ready for both casual and formal introductions.
But sometimes mistakes happen. Maybe you forget a word. Maybe your accent feels heavy.
That's okay. Mistakes are normal. Even native speakers forget words. What matters is courage.
When Jesse first tried, he said, Jesse, student." It was not perfect, but people still understood.
And every time he tried again, it got easier. That's your journey too.
Let's give another practice. Emily, ask me.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Paul. Nice to meet you.
Now I ask you, dear viewer, what's your name? Answer out loud.
Excellent! Did you feel it? A real conversation.
This is the power of practice. Each small step builds your confidence.
And confidence is like a light. Once you switch it on, the room feels different.
I love that image. Confidence is light, and your words are the switch.
Jesse discovered that too. After many tries, he no longer feared introductions. He enjoyed them.
He saw them as new beginnings, like opening a door to adventure.
And you, dear learner, will too.
Let's expand. After you say your name, country, job, hobby, you can add one dream.
Yes. For example, Jesse can say, "My dream is to be an engineer." That makes his introduction inspiring.
Repeat after me. My dream is to be an engineer.
Now, change engineer to your dream. Say it with hope.
Beautiful. When you speak your dream aloud, you give it power.
Let's connect this to daily life. Imagine you meet a friend in a cafe. They ask, "Can you tell me about yourself?"
You smile, hold your coffee, and say, "Sure. My name is Jesse. I'm from Brazil. I study English. I love football. What about you?"
Perfect! It feels natural. It's more than English. It's your story in simple sentences.
And stories connect us. They make language human.
Let's practice again. Dear viewer, introduce yourself now. Name, country, job, hobby, and dream.
Speak it out loud. Don't be shy.
Excellent! You sound wonderful!
Sometimes people also ask about your family. For example, do you have brothers or sisters?
Jesse can answer, "Yes, I have one brother." Or, "No, I don't have brothers or sisters."
Repeat after me. I have one brother.
Now try, "I don't have brothers or sisters."
Good. Short, clear, friendly.
In some cultures, people share their age too. Jesse can say, "I'm 20 years old."
Repeat after me. I'm 20 years old.
Now say your own age.
Wonderful. You see, introductions are flexible. You choose what to share.
And always remember, keep it simple. Simple English is strong English.
Let's add a cultural tip. In English, when you meet someone new, it's polite to say, "Nice to meet you."
Yes, Jesse always ends with, "Nice to meet you." Repeat it now.
Nice to meet you.
Great. You can also say, "It's a pleasure to meet you." That sounds more formal.
Repeat. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Very nice. You're speaking like a true English speaker.
Let's role play again, Paul. You be Jesse.
Okay. Hello, my name is Jesse. I'm from Brazil. I'm a student. I like football. My dream is to be an engineer. Nice to meet you.
Excellent. Did you hear the flow? Short sentences, natural voice, gentle smile.
Learners, now it's your turn. Say the full version with your details.
Fantastic. You are building confidence step by step.
Let's imagine Jesse at a party. Music is loud. People are laughing. A girl walks up and says, "Hi, who are you?"
Jesse smiles and says, "Hi, I'm Jesse. I'm from Brazil. I study English. I love football. What about you?"
Did you notice the question at the end? What about you? That keeps the conversation alive.
Repeat. What about you?
Perfect. Use this phrase often. It shows kindness and interest. Now, imagine Jesse at the airport. He meets a traveler. He says, "Hi, my name is Jesse. I'm from Brazil. I'm traveling to Paris."
Clear, simple, helpful. Intros can change depending on where you are. Learners, imagine yourself in an airport. How would you introduce yourself? Try it now.
Great. You are practicing real life.
Let's add one more fun detail. Feelings. Jesse can say, "I'm excited today," or "I'm nervous today."
Repeat after me. I'm excited today.
Now try, "I'm nervous today."
Wonderful. Emotions make language real.
And remember, every introduction is practice. Every time you try, you grow.
Even if you make mistakes, you are learning. Mistakes are not failures. They are steps to fluency.
Yes, Jesse made mistakes too, but he never stopped trying. That's why he improved.
Let's finish with a final practice. Repeat after me slowly. Hello, my name is Jesse. I'm from Brazil. I am a student. I like football. My dream is to be an engineer. Nice to meet you.
Great job! Now say it again, but with your own details.
Fantastic! You did it!
Today, you learned how to introduce yourself in English, from name to dream, from family to hobbies.
Remember, introductions are more than words. They are windows into your life.
If you only remember one thing today, remember this. Your voice matters. Every time you speak, you shine brighter.
And we are proud of you.
So keep practicing. Try in front of a mirror, try with a friend, or write your introduction in the comments below.
We will read them and maybe share them in the next episode.
Thank you for joining us today on Miss English Channel.
Don't forget to subscribe, share, and most of all, keep speaking English every day.
Because every word you speak brings you closer to fluency.
And every step you take brings you closer to your dreams.
From us to you, have courage, have hope, and keep smiling.
See you in the next lesson.